Hello Vanya. The topic that we are covering today is reflexive pronouns. So what are reflexive pronouns? Identifying reflexive pronouns is not difficult. So reflexive pronouns means myself, itself, ourselves, themselves. These all are reflexive pronouns. The difficulty arises when anyone asks you, what do you mean by reflexive pronoun? So how are you going to answer that? So reflexive pronouns means that pronoun is treated as an object. Now you know what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. And there are different types of pronouns. So in the last exercise you did interrogative pronouns. Today you are learning reflexive pronouns. So reflexive pronouns means when the pronoun is treated as an object. What does it mean? It means that this is a board. This is an object. And when pronoun is treated as an object, then we call it a reflexive pronoun. In more simple language, you can say that reflexive pronoun means the doer of the action. The one who is doing the action is also the receiver of the action. He is receiving the action also. So one who receives the action, it becomes an object. So in reflexive pronoun, the pronoun is doer also and receiver also. So that means if the example, I look at myself in the mirror. So what is the action? The action is looking. And who is doing the action? I is doing the action. And who is receiving the action? I look at myself. So myself is receiving the action. So that means myself has become as an object. So myself is a reflexive pronoun. Now the second example, the horse was hurt itself. So the horse is the noun and the noun hurt itself. So here itself is a reflexive pronoun because it has become as an object. The action is falling upon him. That is why it is itself. You will burn yourself. Yourself is again reflexive pronoun. So it is like you. Pronoun, the action is burning and it is going to fall on you. So yourself is reflexive pronoun. I surprised myself. Myself has become an object. The action is falling upon it. So I surprised myself with the grade in my paper. Ourselves, themselves, these all are reflexive pronouns. So in the next class or in the next homework exercise, I am going to give some of the sentences related to reflexive pronouns. I know you have understood it well. It is not about identifying the reflexive pronoun, that you can, but you should be able to understand it. You should be able to define it, explain that exactly what is a reflexive pronoun. Fine, go through it once again and then we will do the exercises. Bye.